Hi, I'm Delilah. I'm here with www.SicilianFilmFestival.com with Emanuele Viscuso in his beautiful Miami home. It seems to be a real Miami attraction.
This festival, do you mean?
The home and the festival.
Oh, well, the home is my home. I don't know if it is a Miami attraction, but the festival will be a Miami attraction.
Absolutely.
I'm trying to bring here beautiful Sicilian movies. When I say Sicilian movies, I talk about a part of Italy which is very involved with culture and movie production. We also have great directors, like, for example, Tornatore, who won an Oscar with Cinema Paradiso. We have great studios there. We have great nature, great history. For example, everybody remember Il Gattopardo,
Yes.
the leopard, movie with Alain Delon and Claudia Cardinale.
Of course.
Which has been written by the Sicilian Prince of Lampedusa, Tomasi di Lampedusa. One of the movies that we will show in this festival, we regard the movie Il Manoscritto del Principe, the manuscript of the prince, which is the history of this writing that the Prince of Lampedusa made about this fantastic story. And other movies will be Il Consiglio di Egitto, the Council of Egypt, taken from Leonardo Sciascia book with the same name. Leonardo Sciascia is one of the greatest Sicilian writers. Probably we will have a great artist called Franco Battiato.
Oh, that's very great.
Very famous in Italy and outside, which is also a movie. He made a movie. I think he made a couple of movies, but the one we are going to probably, it's a secret. I shouldn't say that because we are in a process of choosing the movies. He made a wonderful movie called Perduto Amor, Lost Love.
Oh, how nice.
And with his beautiful music and it's a great story. So we're trying to represent many phases of Sicily, which is not only the melodrama or the drama or the fun of the geography or the history. It's a little of everything, like the Four Seasons. So there is part of beautiful tragedy or comedy or music or our beautiful island, so many things.
Where will these films be seen in Miami?
Oh, will be the Regal Cinemas. Will be the end of March.
End of March.
From 28th of March till April 2nd.
Okay.
Every day will be some shooting, some show, and some happenings. Maybe will be also some photo exhibition with the scene photos, presentation of books. We will make this probably in the same area, which will be Lincoln Road. And other things will be a cocktail, opening cocktail, will be a final party for the sponsors and everybody. And I'm very excited to do this. It's my first film festival, and I'm very honored that Regione Sicilia asked me to organize all this. I hope everything will be good. I'm sure everything will be
I am
fantastic.
sure it will. Has it been difficult to organize this film festival, and what have you put into it?
Well, to organize the film festival generally is a staff of a dozen of people working for 6 months. In this case, I've been myself with little friends helping me. I have the Regione Sicilia send me an assistant in a few days, working only 4 weeks in advance.
Wow.
So this is a miracle I'm going to make.
Mr. Viscuso.
Oh, please call me Emanuele.
Oh, thank you. Emanuele.
Everybody does in town.
I know that a lot of sponsors have helped you along the way. I know there are large production costs involved with this. Who are some of the sponsors and some of the people that are helping you promote this event?
This is another miracle because in a few days I already got Lincoln Road Magazine sponsoring, Birra Peroni sponsoring, Shameless Communication sponsoring, Massimo Magazine will for next year because it's coming out with this magazine after the festival, but it's also going to do that. And everybody involved, PK Graphics for the print of our things, everything. We're going to fix all the city with this festival. So we need help, but we are getting incredible help and result. When I talk about this with everybody, I'm amazed about.
Well, and I know you've put a lot of work in this yourself. I know that you've driven yourself crazy with this. And is this a non-profit organization?
We're doing with a non-profit organization with the name Sicilian Film Festival, because this is about culture. It's about love for culture. To talk just about culture is not enough. We must say love for culture.
And you're donating your love and your time and your commitment to it.
And some culture.
Thank you.
Thank you.